everyone. I hope everyone is doing well today. Am I audible? Am I visible? Could you please confirm it once? Am I audible and visible? Everyone? Hi, good evening. How are you? Aditya Raj, Soumya Shukla. How are you? I hope everyone is doing well today. Am I audible? Am I visible? Any issues? Hi. Yes, dear Jad, then Vinish. Okay, Sarbajit, Aditya, Hansaman. Yes, I remember you. How can I forget you? Yes, I do remember you. New student from Tamil Nadu. Okay, Vinish, welcome back. Yes, Soumya Shukla. Okay, Modi ji. Okay, yes, ma'am, all clear. Okay, great, superb. And I can see a lot of wonderful new students also who got joined today. And thank you so much, everyone, for giving such an amazing entry to our Menti quiz today. Yes. Anandi, Sarbajit. Okay, Aditya. Okay, great. Superb. So before getting into the main part of the Menti quiz itself, I just want to tell you one important thing. Please share with your friends and family, okay? So they can also participate in these Menti quiz. At the same time, you can also have a healthy competition between them, right? So you can also have a healthy competition with them. So I kindly request everyone to share the links with your friends and family so that they can also participate in this particular Menti quiz and you can have a healthy competition with them. Okay? Yes. Amrita, Anandi, Sarbajit. Okay. So yes, please explain ciliary muscles. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain everything. Okay. So don't worry at all. So we are having a lot of amazing questions today. So one by one, when I get into the point, I will get to know. Okay. Yes. Ma'am, can I watch a video because I am in class 9? This is going to be a Menti quiz. Okay. So you can participate in this quiz. Okay. So that's going to be very super simple and it's going to be super amazing if you all participate in the Menti quiz. Okay. So right after this, you can go back and watch the video. Got it? Yes. Ma'am, Anandi is my school friend. Okay. Great. Superb. Hi. Sarbajit, yes. DS Jad, okay, great. Superb. Everyone, yes. So, have you all snacks with your, have you all done with your snacks? Let me know. Have you all done with your snacks? Yes, start. I think everybody is so excited to get into this Menti quiz, right? Yes, very good evening, all of you. Yes, I hope everyone is doing well today. Are you all ready for the Menti quiz? Yes. So everybody is just giving me start in the comment box. Ma'am, please explain ciliary muscles. Yes, Amrita, I will give a short description on that. So inside our eyes, we have lens. Correct? So if you want to focus something, for example, if I want to focus this particular pen or pencil, I have to make use of my lens inside my eyes. Okay. So the lens has to get adjusted. So who is doing that adjustment? It's nothing but the ciliary muscle. So ciliary muscles help the lens to get adjusted based on the object that you see. Okay, whether it is a nearby object or a distant object. Okay, it needs to be adjusted. The focus has to be adjusted. So ciliary muscles will do that job. Got it? Clear? Okay, you're done with your snacks. I hope you're clear, Amrita. Okay, so let's get into your Menti quiz. Okay, my name. Yes, that's what I'm going to tell you now. So my name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. And I will be your science educator today and we are going to have a wonderful Menti lesson and this will be on the topic called light. So this Menti quiz is going to be on the topic called light. Are you all ready? We have made an amazing one shot in the part. So you can go to the channel, you can get that particular video to be seen so that you will get an overall understanding about the whole chapter. Got it? Okay? Yes. Okay, great, superb. Yes, class. Yes, this is all about the class 8. So everybody can participate in. Okay, so everybody can participate in this session because it's going to be a super simple quiz. Got it? Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. Okay, Sindhu is my mom. Okay, Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran. That's my name. Okay. Yes, start. Okay, great, superb. So shall we start? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, Okay, so look at this. You can see that this is a QR code that you can use. Okay, this is a QR code that you can use to get into the Mentimeter and to get participated. Or you can make use of this particular code as well. See, 24609379. This code also can be used to get into the Menti quiz. Got it? Clear? So the same has been posted in the comment box as well. This has been pinned, so you can make use of this particular link to get into the Mentimeter and to participate in the Menti quiz. Okay? Yes, ma'am, how to participate? That is what. Okay? So you can either just scan this particular code. You can go to Google. Okay? Then you can sorry, just a second. So you can scan this particular QR code and get participated. Clear? Okay? Otherwise, you can make use of this particular code in www.menti.com. Okay, this is also fine. Okay, you can make use of any other things. Okay, either of these. Yes, exactly. It's okay. I got a cough in between. No issues. Yes, now it's sorted. Okay, thank you so much for your suggestion anyways, Sittu. Okay, fine. Great. Good evening. Hi, Aradhya. Yes. We are going to start right now. So the same link has been pasted in the comment box as well. So you can make use of that particular link to get to the Mentimeter and get participated in this Menti quiz. Got it? Aradhya, you're new. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, welcome back to our session. So we are going to start right now. Okay, shall we start? Are you all ready? I need all my students to be super active throughout the Menti quiz. Are you ready? Just give me a thumbs up then. Okay. Exactly. So whom are not understanding, you can touch the blue link which is on the top. Just click on that. Yes, the same link has been just pinned on the comment box itself. Okay, it has been pinned on the comment box itself. You can just click that and get to do it. Got it? Okay, Yeshu, you are also new. Okay, welcome to our session. Sarbajit, welcome. Okay, Meenakshi, Yeshu. Okay, shall we start? Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the part? So we have 31 questions and look at it. Question number 1 of 31. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, so look at this. So you have to be very fast in giving the answers. Okay, you have to be very fast. So the ray that falls on a surface is called the ray that falls on a surface. There are three options here: reflected ray, normal, and the incident ray. So which is the right answer? Please, everyone, you have to be very quick. Okay, incident ray, reflected ray, or the normal. I need all my students to be extremely participative in the session. Yes, ma'am, please give some time to write the name. Okay, you can write it, Ansuman. You can click it. Okay, so you can definitely click it. An Academy. Soumya, you have to be very fast. Okay, so 7 of you have answered it really well. Incident ray. And 6 of you have answered it reflected ray, and there is no one has answered as normal. So what is the question here? The ray that falls on a surface. Let my hand be a surface. If the light falls onto the surface, what is this ray? This ray can be called it as incident ray. So the right answer is incident ray. Don't get confused. Anyway, thank you so much for your wonderful participation. Okay, that's fine. We have a lot of questions coming up. Got it? So right answer is incident ray. So now we are going to see the leaderboard. Let's see who has all answered it really well and who got the highest score. Okay, by God. Oh, that's so nice, right? Yes. Dr. Centipede, Meenakshi, Boti, Thinky, fastest is a Thinky one. Barefoot Contessa, Sakura, Ronald, then Ronaldo and Amrita, Nicholas, E.T. Okay, so my God, all of you have participated really well. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Great. Superb. Nice participation. So now we are moving towards the next one. Let's see. So here is the question number 2 of 31. So let's see who is going to answer this question first. So it's not about, answering correct or not. It's all about your participation. So kindly request everyone to participate. Ma'am, I was first to answer. I did not come on the leaderboard. Okay, you can just try to re-enter the session once again and check the name here so that we can find it out. Okay? Yes. So question number 2 is here. Let's see. Okay. So the point where incident ray strikes a surface is called the point. Here the question is a bit different here. Look at it. The point where incident ray strikes a surface is called. The point where the incident light ray falls or it strikes. What is that point called? Please, please, please let me know. Yes, very good. I can see 12 of you have answered this one point of incidence and one person has answered normal and nobody has answered as angle of incidence. So what is the answer? Point of incidence. Very good, very good. Wonderful students. Very good. Superb. Okay, very good, very good. Yes. Ma'am, please name. My name is Aishwarya. Aditya, my name is Aishwarya. Okay. Yes. So what is the answer for this particular question? Point of incidence is the right answer. Okay. So thank you so much for the participation. Let's see the leaderboard here. Okay. Oh my God. Let's see. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Gamer, Soumya Shukla, Aditya Raj, Amrita, Aradhya, Yeshu, Anshuman, Meenakshi, Anandi and Boti, MK Boat Phase. Okay. Great, super. Nice participation, everyone. Congratulations to all of you. Shall we move on to the next one? Are you ready? Are you ready for the next question? Are you sending the link to your friends and families? Yes, right? Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So now question number 3 of 31. So here is a question. Let's see the question here. So let's see the question. The angle between reflected ray and the normal is called. Very, very simple question. The angle between reflected ray and the normal. Reflected ray and the normal. Please let me know. Please. The angle between reflected ray and the normal. Yes, 9 of you have answered as angle of reflection. 2 of you have answered as angle of incidence. 3 of you have answered as angle of refraction. Okay, so it's not refraction. I have asked you for the angle between reflected ray and the normal. Okay, reflected. You have to be very clear with the terms. The angle between reflected ray and the normal can be called it as angle of reflection. Okay, so the answer is angle of reflection. So let's see the leaderboard here. Okay, very good, very good, very good. I congratulate everyone for giving your amazing participation. Okay, gamer fastest. Aditya Raj, Amrita, Soumya Shukla, Aradhya, very good. Ansuman, Anandi, Meenakshi, very good. Vinish and Yashu, very good. Wonderful. Okay, so thank you so much for the wonderful participation. How was it? Students? Okay, so how can we watch video as well as Menti on the same? Okay, so you can do one thing. You can just open the video part first. Okay, so in the other tab, you can go for the Menti. Got it? So that you can simultaneously use it. So what is refraction? Okay, so refraction is a different phenomenon in which light travels from one medium to another. Okay. For example, from air to water or glass to water, the light is actually traveling from one medium to another. So what happens? Light can cause a bend there. The light deviates from its own path. Clear? That is called refraction. Got the point? Clear? So refraction means the light is actually traveling from one medium to another so that light gets deviated from its path. Okay, so the speed of the light can change. That's the phenomenon behind refraction. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, students? Are you clear? Shall we move on? Shall we move on, students? Okay, I hope everyone is actually ready for the next question too. Okay, so I was also answering and there was only one student above me in the comment section. Okay, so don't think about the comment section. Instead, you can simply concentrate to the Menti part. Okay, you can try answering it as fast as possible. Okay, at the same time, you can be in the live as well. Got it? Shall we move on? Yes. So here is the next one. Question number 4 of 31. Okay, so here is a question. The irregular reflection is also known as irregular reflection. Irregular reflection also known as, there is one more name for it. So what is that? Total internal reflection, diffused reflection, or regular reflection. So we have 25 seconds of time. You can definitely make use of the time and get the right answer. Let it be wrong. No issues. Okay, let it be wrong. Okay, just participate here. That's the important point. Yes, very good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, wonderful. Okay, very good. So, 9 of you have answered as diffused reflection. 1 of you have answered as total internal reflection. And nobody, yes, 1 person has answered regular reflection too. Students, are you facing any issues? Students, are you facing any issues? Do let me know. Students, am I audible and visible? Are you facing any kind of issues? Gamer, Modi ji, DS, Aditya, Soumya, Yashu, Modi ji, Aradhya, Amrita, could you please let me know? No issues, right? Buffering is there? If anybody is actually feeling any kind of buffering, please try to refresh your page once again. Now it's okay, right? Okay, great. Thank you so much. Yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so here's the question number 5. The type of reflection where image formed is blurry. The type of reflection where the image formed is blurry. So in what kind of reflection we get a blurry image? That's what the question is. Very, very simple one. Please answer. Okay, so we have few more seconds left. So kindly request everyone to participate in this part. Let it be wrong. No issues. I'm here to help you out. I know how active my students are. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful, wonderful. I can see a lot of wonderful responses in the live too. Very good, students. Very good, very good, very good. So 8 of you have answered as diffused reflection. 3 of you have answered as dispersion. Then regular reflection also has been answered by 2 of you. And let's see what is the right answer. So what is the right answer? Diffused reflection. The type of reflection where image formed is blurry. So what is meant by blurry? The image is not clear. Okay, image formed is blurry. Blurry means it is going to be not clear at all. Clear? So in what kind of reflection we get that? In diffused reflection, or you can say irregular reflection. In irregular reflection or diffused reflection, the image is going to be blurry. It's not going to be clear. Got the point? Child voice? Sure, I will definitely try it out. Okay, so in this particular question, we have understood that the diffused reflection is also known as what? It's going to be called it as? What do you call this? What is that? Irregular reflection. So diffused reflection is also known as irregular reflection, and that is where the image is going to be blurry. Clear? Okay. Soumya, thank you so much. Yes, ma'am, where should I answer to get on the leaderboard? See, you have to work, you have to participate in the Mentimeter there. Okay, that is why I have just pasted the link on the top. Okay, there is a message has been pinned on the top. You can click that, enter into it, then you have to participate. Clear? DS, I hope you're clear. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, yes. Okay, so now we have to move on to the next one. And here's the leaderboard. Let's see who has just made the answer so fastest. Ansuman, thank you so much. You are the fastest one. Aditya Raj, Amrita, Soumya Shukla, Gamer, Aradhya, Vinesh, Anandi, Yashu, Meenakshi. Wonderful. Wonderful students. Nice participation. Okay. Yes. So, I hope you're clear with the point. Yes, it's given in the blue color. It's given in the blue color on the top. You can go through the link, participate in this particular Menti quiz. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Are you ready for the next question? Okay, so here you can see question number 6 of 31. And here you look at it, you can see that. Here is a question. Yes, let's see. The reflected rays are parallel in what kind of reflection? We'll see the reflected rays are parallel. That's what the question is. Total internal reflection, irregular reflection, or regular reflection? What is the right answer? Please answer. Let it be wrong. Okay. In what kind of reflection the reflected rays are going to be parallel? Yes. Regular reflection. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful students. Very good. Superb. Yes. Oh my God. I can't believe how active my kids are. Very good students. Wonderful. Yes. So in regular reflection, the reflected rays are going to be parallel. What about irregular reflection? In irregular reflection, the reflected rays are not going to be parallel. Okay. That's the basic difference between them. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on? Yes. Okay. So now we are moving towards the question number 7 of 31. So from now onwards, we are going to see the leaderboard after every 2 questions. Okay, so please remember that. So here we are going towards next question. The irregular reflection occurs from a rough surface, plane mirror, smooth surface. There are 3 options given: rough surface, plane mirror, smooth surface. Please find it out. Please, please, please. Please, DS Jat, please try to click on the link on the top, or you can make use of this particular QR code. Okay, you can simply go to Google, okay, open the camera part and scan this particular QR code. Okay, there also you can get into this Menti quiz. Got it? Yes. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Yes. Irregular reflection occurs from a rough surface. Look at it, it's rough surface, rough. Okay, the surface has a lot of irregularities. That is what the reason we call it as a rough surface. The rough surface has a lot of irregularities. Clear? Got it? And what about regular reflection? Regular reflection happens from a smooth surface. Clear? I hope you're clear. Any doubts? Shall we move on? Okay, so now let's see the leaderboard. Okay, very good, very good, very good, wonderful. Okay, so let's see that. Aditya, Soumya, Amrita, Gamer, Ansuman, Aradhya, Vinish, Yeshu, Anandi, Meenakshi, wonderful. So Aditya Raj is fastest here. Thank you so much. I hope everyone is clear. Shall we move on? Okay. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, thank you so much students for the great participation. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. And here you can see question number 8 of 31. And I'm going to enter the question here. Plane mirror is considered as, what is a plane mirror? Please find out irregular surface, smooth surface or rough surface. What is the right answer? I kindly request everyone to answer this. Nehru, you can participate, no issues. Okay, you can definitely participate in this quiz. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Please be fast. Irregular surface, smooth surface or rough surface? Plane mirror. So, plane mirror is considered as? Please let me know. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Wonderful students, wonderful. Yes, 12 of you have answered it right. It's nothing but smooth surface. A plane mirror is extremely smooth. It has no irregularities at all. It's highly polished. Okay, so the answer is smooth surface. Clear? I hope everyone is clear with whatever the points what we discussed so far. Any doubts? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, so here we have our question number 9 of 31. So I'm going to enter the next question here. The law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to the law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to the normal angle of reflection or angle of refraction. What is the right answer? Please answer. Let it be wrong. No issues. I kindly need everyone's participation here. I need everyone's participation here. Let it be wrong, but try to participate. Okay. Okay, misclick. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We have a lot of questions coming up. No issues. Okay. So the answer is angle of reflection reflection. The law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. For example, if angle of incidence is equal to 45 degree, what about angle of reflection? That is also going to be 45 degree. Clear? I hope everyone is clear with this. Shall we move on? Okay. So now I am misplacing again and again. No issues, Aradhya, no issues. Okay, it's completely fine. You can just make sure that you are putting the right answer from the next time onwards. Clear? Okay, so make sure that you're clicking the right ones from the next time onwards. No issues at all. Okay, yes. So now we are moving towards a leaderboard. Okay, Soumya Shukla, Amrita, Gamer, let's see. Okay, Ansuman, Aditya is the fastest one. Soumya, Amrita, Gamer, Vinish, Aradhya, Yeshu, Anand and Modi ji. Wonderful students. Very good, superb. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one, and here you can see that here is a question number 10 of 31, and look at this. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same what plane? Horizontal plane or vertical plane? You might have learned about law of reflection in detail, right? If you want to know more about it, you can definitely go through the class Light. I have posted very recently. You can go through it. You can check the class and find out what it is exactly. This is nothing but a statement from law of reflection. Okay, so the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same. Oh my god, 11 of you made it wrong. Horizontal plane, 4 of you have made it right. Vertical plane is the right answer. Okay, so incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same vertical plane, not the horizontal plane. Clear? Okay. How? Yes. So the same has been explained in the class Light. You can go through it. There is a recent video of one shot I have been posted. Okay, a recent video has posted. Okay, it's posted yesterday only. You can go through the video. I have detailedly explained the points. Okay, I have just explained everything in detail. You can go through it. You can understand it. Clear? So Pogzone is asking me, are you South Indian? Yes, I am a proud South Indian. Yes. Yes, I am a South Indian. Yes, I am a South Indian. Okay. So Amrita, I have just explained everything in detail. You can go through the class. I have posted it yesterday. You can go through the class. One shot. Okay, one shot. Light. Clear? Ma'am, please Tamil. Okay, this session is going to be taken in Tamil, but I can speak Tamil and Malayalam. Okay, I can speak Tamil. Yes, Nehru, you can definitely send it to your friends as well. Okay, and relatives, and you can also have a healthy competition between them. Okay. Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So here is a question number 11 of 31. So the cinema screen is where we see cinema screen. You might have seen a lot of films in theaters, right? And that's where you see real images or virtual images or no images. Let me know. Please. Please let me know. It's a very, very simple one. Cinema screen is where we see real images, virtual images or no images. Okay, wonderful. The answer is real images. Okay, it's nothing but real images. You're right. Yes, because only real images can be taken on a screen. Okay, that's the clue. Okay, if you want to see an image on a screen, that should be of a real one. Okay, virtual images cannot be taken on a screen. Clear? Got the answer? Yes. Ma'am, anything spike in Tamil? Okay. Namaste in Tamil. Vanakkam, Modi ji. Namaste in Tamil can be called it as Vanakkam. Okay, ma'am, please say anything in Tamil. Eppadi irkeenga? Nalla irkingala, Nandi? I hope you're clear. Yes, what is the unit of frequency? Hertz. Rikayush. Yes, the unit of frequency is nothing but hertz. Very easy. Do you know Hindi? I can understand Hindi, but I don't speak Hindi. Yes. May I come in? Yeah, sure, Gaurav. You can definitely. Gullu ma'am. Thank you so much. Ma'am, it's virtual. No. On cinema screen, you can see real images. As these images are real, that is what the reason you can see these in a screen. Okay, if you want to see something on a screen, that should be real. Okay, virtual images cannot be taken on a screen. Clear? Oh, I am a Tamil Nadu student. Okay, Vinish. Eppadi irkeenga? Nalla irkeenga? Yes. Meri pyari Gullu ma'am. Thank you so much, Amrita. Very good evening. You don't speak or you don't know. What it is, Nehru? Tamil? I speak the Tamil. Didn't you hear? I spoke Tamil already. Could you please let me know? Oh, no. Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, so for your better understanding, I repeat it once again. Welcome, ma'am. It's not okay, welcome. See, I can speak Tamil. Okay, I can speak Tamil really well. I asked for Hindi. I understand Hindi. Okay, I write Hindi. I read Hindi, but I don't speak Hindi. Got it? Okay. Yes. Show your love to your Gullu, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, can you please name what is time period? Time period. Okay. So I will come to that point. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain you. Okay. So time period is completely related to something that when you learn about waves. Okay. That's where you need to understand what is time period. Okay. So time period is nothing but the time taken by a wave to complete one oscillation. Okay. Got it? Clear? Yes. Okay. So I hope you're clear. Light target 25. Thank you so much. So kindly, please. I know, ma'am, don't worry. Yes, leaderboard. Okay. Great. Super. Okay, so let's see. Amrita is fastest today. Vinesh from Tamil Nadu, Aratya, Ansuman, Aditya, Soumya, Gamer, Yeshu, Anandi and Meenakshi. Okay, wonderful students, wonderful. So I hope everyone is clear with whatever the topics what we discussed so far. Why you don't speak? I'm not comfortable in speaking Hindi. I have some difficulties in that. That is what the reason I'm not speaking it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so let me tell you the next question. Question number 12 of 13. So let's see the next one. The image formed on a plane mirror is? The image formed on a plane mirror is virtual image, real image or inverted image? The image formed on a plane mirror. They are asking you about plane mirror. So please answer. Please let me know. Okay, very good. Wonderful students. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. So virtual image, right answer. Okay. So the image formed on a plane mirror is nothing but virtual. Because that is what the reason we cannot take it on a screen there. Clear? Virtual images cannot be taken on a screen. So the image formed by a plane mirror is nothing but virtual in nature. Clear? Yes. Okay, wonderful. Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Okay, yes. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Okay, here. Question number 13 of 31. The actual convergence of light rays forms. If they actually meet. If light rays actually meet, what kind of image will be formed? Real image, virtual image or no image? Please, I kindly request everyone to participate in it. Please, Ayush, Anshuman, okay, very good. If they actually meet, a few more seconds left for you. Okay, wonderful. So the answer is real image. Exactly, the actual convergence of light rays. So if somebody asks you that if the light rays actually meet, what kind of image will be formed? It's nothing but real image. Clear? I hope you're clear. Ma'am, you're sweetie cutie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so मैंने आपको school friend को क्या share कर दिया. Okay, thank you so much, Amrita. Thank you so much for sharing it. Ayush is asking me, who are you, ma'am? My name is Aishwarya. My name is Aishwarya Sindhu Ramachandran, and I'm your science educator here. Okay? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? So thank you so much for the wonderful, wonderful answers. And here we are moving towards the next one. And look at this. Here is the leaderboard. Okay, let's see who answered first and who is the fastest one. Okay. Yes. Vinesh from Tamil Nadu, Aradhya, Amrita, Ansuman, Aditya Raj, Kema, Saumya, Yashu, Meenakshi, and Arush. Wonderful, wonderful. And don't worry if your positions are low. Don't worry at all. Participation is the important key here. Okay? Clear? I am new here, but I am not in the leaderboard. Okay, Naitik. Why? Because you have not entered the Menti properly, I guess. You can just go through the link which I have just mentioned above. Okay, there is a message has been pinned on the top, which is blue in color. You can click that particular link and get into the Menti quiz and get participated. Or you can just scan this particular code. Clear? Okay, clear. Okay, so shall we move on? It's not about neglecting Nehru. I cannot speak. I have some difficulties in speaking Hindi. That is the only thing. Okay? That I have a little bit of difficulty in speaking Hindi. I'm not great in speaking Hindi. That is what the reason I'm not doing it. It doesn't mean that I'm neglecting anything. Okay? I'm not comfortable in speaking Hindi. Got it? I have problems in that. Nobody is perfect in this world, right? Some people have some flows. So my flow is nothing but I cannot speak Hindi properly. That's what my problem is. Okay? It doesn't mean that I'm neglecting it. Okay? I can speak Tamil because I'm comfortable in that particular language. Okay? Okay, yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Yes. So question number 14 of 31. So here is a question. The virtual images are formed due to the apparent convergence of what kind of rays? Virtual images. Okay, here is a hint for you. It's nothing but the virtual image. And this is formed due to the apparent convergence of, apparent means they are not actually meeting. But apparent convergence of what? Which cause a virtual image to be formed? Please answer. Please answer. We have few more seconds left. Please answer. I kindly request everyone to answer it. Okay, very good, very good. Diverging light rays. Okay, so see this particular question. You can see that it's virtual image. Okay, so real images are formed when the rays are actually converging. But in case of virtual image, the story is different. What is that? Apparent convergence of diverging light rays which cause virtual images to be formed. And therefore, this cannot be taken on a screen. Clear? Clear? So I hope you're clear with the point. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so now look at this one. Question number 15 of 31. Arun's height is 150 centimeter and find the height of Arun's image on a plane mirror. Very simple question. Arun's height is 150 centimeter and find the height of Arun's image on a plane mirror. So it's all about plane mirror. So if Arun has 150 centimeter height, what would be the image height then? That's what the question. Please answer. Please answer. Okay. Yes. So for the students who are having doubt with this Menti quiz entry, the link has been pasted again. Okay. You can go through it. You can click it and just get into it. Please find out. Okay. So 12 of you have answered 150 centimeter. Yes. If Arun's height is 150 centimeter, then Arun's image is also going to have 150 centimeter. That is the right answer. Clear? So I hope everyone is clear. Any doubts? Any doubts, students? Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Okay. So here is the leaderboard. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Ansuman is fastest. Aradhya, Amrita, Aditya Raj, Vinish, Gema, Saumya, Meenakshi, Anandi and Yashu. Wonderful. Wonderful performance. Yes, I can see here there is a technical issue, I guess. It's stuck. What about you? Students, am I audible and visible? Can anybody tell me? Please, students, can you please just help me out? Is it stuck for you? Please, students. Please. Students. Not stuck at all. Am I audible, students? Am I audible? All clear? Okay, yes. No doubts at all. Everything is good. From your preparation, we are doing great job. Okay, thank you so much, Aradhya. Thank you so much. All clear. I got a question here. What is the... Okay, okay, you want to know what is... Okay, Nehru, I got the question. Yes, what is the focal length of the plane mirror? The plane mirror is going to be infinity. Okay, it's nothing but infinity. Clear? Okay, so the focal length of a plane mirror can be considered as infinity. Got it? Not stuck at all. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So now let's move on to the next one. Question number 16 of 31. Okay, so here is a question. The image formed on a plane mirror is? The image formed on a plane mirror. Laterally inverted, magnified or inverted? What is the right answer? Everyone, please participate. Please. Very, very important. Yes, everyone has voted. Let's see. Oh, laterally inverted. Wonderful. Yes. The image formed on a plane mirror is laterally inverted. What is meant by that? When you raise your right hand, it shows us left hand. If you raise your left hand, it shows us your right hand. That's nothing but the lateral inversion phenomenon happening in the plane mirror. Clear? I had one more question here. What is the powerhouse of a cell? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the right answer. That's where the energy is getting generated. So that is what the reason it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Okay, so I hope you're clear. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on? Okay, so here is the next one. Question number 17 of 31. The distance between mirror and Arun is given by 7 meters. And find the distance between mirror and Arun's image. Very, very simple one. Here the distance between mirror and Arun is given by 7 meters. So Arun is the object here. And you have to find out the distance between mirror and Arun's image. So what is the right answer? 7 meter, 5 meters, 8 meter. Okay, all of you have answered it really well. The answer is 7 meter. What is the reason behind it? Because we know that based on the characteristic properties of image formed on a plane mirror, image distance is going to be equal to the object distance as well, right? So object distance is equal to image distance. That means the distance from mirror to the object is equal to the distance from mirror to the image. Clear? Takes a lot of time. Very, very simple question. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? So the answer itself is 7 meter. And here we are going to find out the leaderboard again. Okay, so here Aradhya, Amrita, Aditya Raj, Ansuman, then Vinish, Gema, Saumya, Meenakshi, Jitalal and Ananti. Okay, wonderful. I got one more student here, Jitalal. So kindly request everyone to participate. Let it be wrong, no issues at all, but try to make your best here. Okay, no issues at all if it is wrong. Image distance is equal to object distance. Yes, you are right. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, students. I hope everyone is clear with it. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, so here you can see number 18 of 31. The phenomenon behind rainbow formation is, the phenomenon behind the rainbow formation is dispersion, total internal reflection, or reflection. What is the right answer? A very, very simple and easy one. Please answer. I kindly request everyone to answer this. Please answer. Okay, so the phenomenon behind rainbow formation is dispersion. Total internal reflection is not happening at all in the formation of a rainbow. Total internal reflection is completely wrong. Partial internal reflection can happen right inside the rain droplet or water droplet in the formation of a rainbow. Clear? So the answer is dispersion. What is dispersion? When white light passes through a water droplet, it splits into 7 different colors and creates a rainbow. That's what the point. Clear? Glass prism. Exactly. You're right. Okay, glass prism. Yes. I have. It's not only for the class 10 physics. It has been taken for class 8 as well. A similar class has been posted yesterday. You can go through it. There is a one shot that has been posted by me on the chapter called light. You can go through that particular video so that you will understand what is happening there. Okay, so what is dispersion, how it is happening, okay, what are the different processes associated with rainbow formation, all of these have been just explained there. Clear? Ma'am, it's Jyotilal's character of Tarak Mehta. No, sorry. So which color bend the most and least in dispersion? Okay, that's an important question. So which color bend most and least in dispersion? Can anybody tell me? Rainbow has 7 colors, we know that. So the least deviating one is going to be, or the least bending one is going to be red. Okay. So red bends least. Clear? Yes. Correct. You are right. Okay. Yes. And yes. Violet is the one which is going to bend more. Yes, you are right. Yes. Correct. Everyone is right. Yes. Red can bend least, and the more bending can be happening to violet. Got it? Yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So here is the next one. Question number 19 of 31. And here is a question. Find the type of reflection occurs in the water droplet during rainbow formation. The type of reflection. See, total internal reflection or partial internal reflection. Which is happening? In the rainbow formation, there are certain processes which are happening right inside the water droplet. So which kind of reflection is happening here? That's what the question is. Please. Okay, let's see who is going to answer this. Okay, it's nothing but partial internal reflection. Yes. Okay, it's not total. Okay, partial internal reflection is happening inside the water droplet. Okay, on the second surface of the water droplet, partial internal reflection is happening, not the total internal reflection. Okay, total internal reflection is happening in diamonds. Okay, so don't get confused. Clear? Taken more time? Okay, this is going to be a bit confusing. Okay, that is why I have given you right amount of time to go through it and get it answered. So now we are going towards next one. Students, what is partial internal reflection? So partial internal reflection has been explained in the part, okay, that's going to be a detailed phenomenon which is happening right inside the water droplet in the terms of rainbow formation. That has been clearly explained in the part of light one shot. You can go through it once. Okay, that is a process happening inside the water droplet during rainbow formation. A lag is there. Okay, so let me just reconnect it once again. Am I audible now, students? No. Is it fine now, students? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So question number 20 of 31. The outermost layer of eye where the most of the refraction occurs. Oh, this is completely related to human eye structure. And outermost layer of eye where the most of the refraction occurs. So they have given you two hints. It's outermost layer and this is where the most of the refraction occurs. So which layer it is? Cornea, iris or retina? What is the right answer? Everyone, try to give a try. Okay, so I think a lot of you got confused with this question. So the answer is cornea. Okay, so cornea is known as the outermost layer of the eye. So the eye has different layers. So the outermost layer is cornea. So that is where the light gets refracted mostly. Clear? It's the outermost layer. Got it? Outermost layer of the eye where most of the refraction occurs. So what's the answer? It's nothing but cornea. It's not iris. Okay, iris is nothing but the one which controls the pupil. Okay, similarly retina is nothing but an internal part where the image is getting formed. So that is also not the answer here. Got it? Okay, so the answer is cornea. Thank you so much. And now we are moving towards the next one. Question number 21 of 31. The color of iris depends on the amount of pigment called. You might have seen a lot of people with different eye colors, right? Brown, black, hazel, blue, aqua blue, right? Why? What is the reason behind it? There is a pigment. So which pigment it is? Chlorophyll, xanthophyll or melanin? Please. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Amrita. It's okay. Okay, if you have no idea about the answer, it's fine. Okay, so it's nothing but melanin. Okay, so melanin is nothing but a pigment which is present in our body. Clear? So this is actually deciding the eye color. Okay, this is nothing but a pigment which decides the eye color. This also can decide our skin color. Okay, according to the content of melanin in our body, it can decide its eye color. Clear? Got it? So the pigment name is nothing but melanin. Okay, melanin. So I hope you're clear. Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, so here is the next question. Leaderboard. Okay. Okay, Aditya is fastest here. Vinesh, Ansuman, Amrita, Aradhya, Gamer, Jitalal, Meenakshi, Anandi. Wonderful. Wonderful students. Very good. And shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Yes. Aradhya, there are few more minutes left to this. You can complete this particular Menti quiz and go. Okay. I kindly request you to be here so that you can definitely be in the part. You told it in the one shot. Yes. Which one? Which one, Aditya? Out of syllabus? Not out of syllabus. Not out of syllabus. This is an extra information that I have gave to you. Okay, extra information, because people have a doubt why it is different from one another, why there is a color difference in iris. Okay, Aditya, I told you that the one shot has explained all the details. Okay, the one shot session has all the details. Okay, so all the details, and the chapter has covered all the concepts, okay, in detail. That is what I told you. Okay, the whole chapter light has been explained properly and explained in detail. That is what I told you. Aapka color kya hai? It's normal brown. It's normal brown, like not like more towards black. More towards black. Yes, brownish black. That's the color. That's my eye color. Yes. Yes, in the one shot, all the concepts have been properly explained. So you can go through it, you can get into it so that you can definitely get to know more about the chapter. That is what I told you. Okay? Yes. So shall we move on to the next one? Question number 22 of 31. The part of eye where objects are focused. So where does the image get focused? The part of eye where the objects are focused. Cornea, lens or iris? Please answer. Let it be wrong. No issues, but try to participate. Let's see. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Answer is lens. Yes. Lens can focus it, right? Yes, I told you in the initial part of the session itself, somebody asked me a question about ciliary muscles, right? So that's where I mentioned this. The lens has to focus. So if the lens has to focus, who is helping there? Ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles can just help the lens to get adjusted with the distances. Clear? So the focus can be adjusted accordingly. Got the point? Yes. So now we are moving towards next one. Okay, question number 23 of 31. Photoreceptors are found in photoreceptors. What are photoreceptors? There are two types of cells, rod cells and cone cells. So where they are present? Cornea, ciliary muscles or retina? Please answer. Please answer. Okay, yes. Retina. So retina is a place where the photoreceptors are available. Cord cells and rod cells. Cone cells and rod cells are known as photoreceptors and these are available in retina. Okay, got it? Okay, rods and cones. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes, exactly. Yes. Chandel, hello. Yes, welcome back. Oh, no. Why? Why? Leaderboard is coming up. No issues. Okay. Oh, Aditya is fastest. Amrita, Aradhya, Vinish, Ansuman, Aditya, Saumya, Gamer, Jitilal, Meenakshi, Anandi. Wonderful students. Yes, ma'am, class 7 quiz, please. Once we complete with the grade 8, we are moving towards grade 7. Okay, so we are moving towards grade 7 right after class 8 only. So please wait for the session. We will be coming up with the sessions more and more in the upcoming parts. Okay, we will be coming with more and more sessions in the upcoming parts. Please wait for it. And now we are moving towards next one. So I want to tell you one more important thing. Class 8 will be finished. The term 2 portions are going on right now. So this will be finished soon. So as soon as the concepts get finished, we'll get into the class 7 materials. Okay. Question number 24 of 31. Yes, there is the same chapter there. Yes, Human Eye and the Colorful World. Chapter 10. Sorry, class 10 chapter. Okay, Human Eye and the Colorful World. Yes. And this is all about the chapter Light. This is from class 8. Okay, the concave lens can also be used to correct. Which one? Myopia, hypermetropia, or presbyopia. Concave. See, this is concave lens. Concave lens means diverging lens. So diverging lens can be used to correct short sight. What is short sight? Myopia. This is how you need to correct. Okay, I have short sight. That is why I'm wearing this spectacle here. Okay, so this is nothing but concave lens because I have short sight. Short sight is known as myopia. Clear? Got the point? Okay. Ma'am, maja nahi yaar. So Menti war karwayo na. Sure. We'll try. Okay, we'll try to get Menti wars. Don't worry. Okay. Shall we move on? Yes. So you didn't get the answer? Okay. So why? Because they have asked for concave lens. Concave lens is nothing but diverging lens. So this lens can be used to correct short sight. So I have short sight. So I'm wearing concave lens right now. So short sight can also be called it as myopia. Okay, myopia means what? They can see nearby things very clearly. But what about the distance things? They cannot see it clearly. It can be blurry. Got it? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Question number 25 of 31. So you have to be very fast from now onwards because we have only 5 questions left. So you have to be very fast. So hypermetropia is also known as hypermetropia, presbyopia, long-sightedness or short-sightedness. What is it? Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means nearby things can be blurry and the distant things can be clear. So what is the right answer? So Pocky Zone, try to best participate in the session. You can also be having a lot of fun in this class. Yes, thank you so much. So the answer is sight. Hypermetropia is nothing but long sight. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. And here is the leaderboard. Okay, so Amrita, Aradhya, Vinish, Ansuman, Aditya, Soumya, Gamer, Jitilal, Meenakshi and Anandi. Very good. Ansuman is fastest now. So thank you so much for the wonderful answers. And now we are moving towards the next one. And here is the question number 26 of 31. Yes. Amrita Gullu ma'am ne answer leak kar diya. No. Okay, so nearby objects are blurry for people with nearby objects. Nearby objects are blurry for people with myopic vision or hypermetropic vision. Nearby objects are blurry. They cannot see the nearby things. It can be very blurry. So for what people this particular condition can occur? Okay, very good. It's hypermetropia. So hypermetropia means long sight. So long sight means what? It's nothing but they can see the distance things very clearly, but nearby things very blurry. Got it? So that's the right answer. Thank you so much, everyone. And now we are moving towards the next one. And here you look at it. Question number 27 of 31. We have 3 more questions left. Image forms in front of retina when the person has. Very simple one. Image forms in front of retina when the person has. Image forms in front of retina. It is not forming at retina. Instead, it is forming in front of retina. That means a person has myopia or hypermetropia or presbyopia. What is the right answer? Ma'am, related questions. Yes. It's all related to chapter light. Yes. Okay. Image forms in front of retina. Okay. If the image is forming exactly at retina, means the person has no problem. Okay, the person is completely okay with vision. But if the image is forming in front of retina, means the person has myopia. If the image is forming beyond retina, means the person has either hypermetropia or presbyopia. This is how you need to remember the things. Clear? Okay, ma'am is best. Okay, Ramandeep Singh, thank you so much. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Okay. So here I am going towards the next one, and here you can see the leaderboard. Okay, Amrita, Soumya, Arathya, Vinesh, Ansuman, Aditya, Gamer. Hi sir, Mahitansh, Jitalal, Meenakshi, wonderful students. I got a few more students here, very good. And now we are moving towards the next one, question number 28 of 31. Okay. Yes, I'm doing it fast, Soumya. I'm doing it fast. No issues. Okay. Yes, the eye defect comes due to the weakening of ciliary muscles. The eye defect comes due to the weakening of ciliary muscles. Hypermetropia, presbyopia, myopia. What is the right answer? I'm normal. Amrita, I did not get your point. So sorry. Oh, you have no issues with vision, I guess. That's what you meant, right? Okay. Yes, the eye defect comes due to the weakening of ciliary muscles. Okay, the ciliary muscles are weakened during old age. This can cause a problem called presbyopia. Clear? Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. And here is question number 29 of 31. The image forms beyond the retina. Oh, when the person has, this question has been already answered. This question has been answered already, please. Nahi pata hai. It's okay, Amrita. It's okay. I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay, so the image forms beyond the retina, beyond, okay, beyond the retina. If the person has no issues, image will be formed exactly at retina. If it is forming in front of retina, means this person has myopia. If it is happening beyond retina, means this person has what? Hypermetropia or myopia. Hypermetropia is the right answer. This person has long sight. That is what the reason the image is forming actually beyond the retina. Clear? So I hope you're clear. Shall we move on? Leaked? No, it's not leaked. Shall we move on? Okay. So here is the leaderboard. Okay, so here Vinesh is the fastest, Amrita, Ansuman, Soumya, Aditya, Aradhya, Gamer, Heiser, then Jatalal, Meenakshi Yadav, wonderful. Okay, very good, superb, nice answers. And now we are moving towards the next one. Question number 30 of 31. So we have only few questions left. Find the number of characters in Braille system. So what is Braille system? Braille system has been developed for visually impaired people. They cannot see, right? So if they want to know something or if they want to identify something, there is a particular system has been developed. They can touch and recognize it. Okay, so how many characters are there? Yes, 63. Okay, so for the visually impaired people, Braille system has been developed with 63 characters. Okay, these are simply raised. They can touch and recognize it. Clear? Out of syllabus? No, Amrita, it's not out of syllabus. Braille system is very important. Okay, for visually impaired people, a system has been developed. Okay, it's not out of syllabus. You can just keep in your mind. Clear? Okay, so now we are moving towards the next one. Question number 31 of 31. Last question. Which is a converging lens. Very simple one. I have made the last question very simple. Concave or convex? Which is a converging lens? Converging lens. Which is a converging lens here? Please. Okay. So very simple one. Okay. Convex lens is the right answer. Okay. Convex is known as converging lens. I will give you a small clue to understand this. Okay, please don't worry. I will get you a good idea about this. So I hope everyone really understood all the points what we discussed so far. So let's see the final leaderboard here. Okay. Amrita, okay. So I hope everyone is clear with all the points what we discussed, and congratulations to Amrita and congratulations to all who participated in the Menti quiz. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. Everyone is clear or not? How was the Menti quiz today? How was it? How was it, student? Second position. Okay, Ansuman, thank you so much. And I hope everyone is clear with whatever the points what we discussed so far. Shall we move on? Okay, so I will give you a final thing about it. Okay, this is going to be a super simple thing. Okay, just to avoid your confusions. Okay, so in case of mirrors, okay, please don't get confused. I'm going to talk about mirrors and lenses. Okay, so please understand the basic differences. Okay, in case of mirrors, okay, so in case of mirrors, converging ones are concave. Okay, converging mirror is concave. Okay, similarly, diverging one is convex. Okay, diverging mirror is convex. This is just for your understanding. I am just telling you. Okay, in case of mirrors, converging one is concave and diverging one is convex. Okay, but when it comes to the part of lenses, see, converging lens, converging one is convex and diverging one is concave. Clear? So I hope everyone is clear. Clear? Students? Oh, post kariye, pick lene. Okay, Amrita, you can definitely click. Okay. Okay. So, why Aditya? What happened? Why you crying? Why you crying? What happened to you? Okay, this is just for your understanding. I have told you. Mirrors and lenses. Converging mirror is concave, diverging mirror is convex. When it comes to the lenses, converging lens is convex, diverging lens is concave. Clear? Oh, okay, leaderboard part. That's been over, Amrita. Sorry. Okay, so sorry, don't worry. Okay, so I will just repeat your name again. Okay, Amrita has participated completely throughout the session. Okay, throughout the session, and she just made the first position here. And Aditya Raj came for second. Okay, Aditya Raj. Okay, so I am just congratulating everyone for your great participation, and thank you so much for the wonderful responses, everyone. Not only for Amrita and Aditya, for everyone who participated. I'm happy for everyone. Okay, my kids are very, 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 very active. Okay, and I'm so happy for it. Okay, yes. Okay, okay. So, how was the Menti quiz today? How was the Menti quiz today? Have you all liked it? Students, have you all liked it? How was it? I need all your sincere feedback here. Ma'am, next Monday is when today? Next Monday will be coming very soon, very soon, very soon. Okay, very soon. We will be having mentees on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This is how we usually go for Menti quiz. Okay. From Monday to Thursday, we have one-shot sessions. Okay. And from Friday to Saturday, we will be going with these kind of Menti quiz and Menti wars, all of these. Clear? Reaching the age of adolescence. That has been taken by Reena ma'am already. You can go through the one-shot session. Okay, it's been posted. You can go through it. Okay? Yes. I hope you're clear. Bye, Mary Gullu ma'am. Thank you, Amrita. Thank you. So, have a nice day, everyone. Thank you so much for your great participation. So, that's the end of the class. So, we'll see you next class with an amazing session similar to this. So, have a nice day and goodbye, everyone. And I hope everyone really liked it. And let's see you in the next class. Till that, have a goodbye. Thank you. Bye, bye. Bye, Gullu ma'am. Thank you so much. I can say a few more messages here. And sorry for the sorry for the problems that happened in between. We had some technical issues too. Okay, so sorry for that. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. And thank you so much for the patience. Okay, I got some coughs in between and you excuse that. And thank you so much, everyone. Okay, and okay, yeah, goodbye, everyone.